Welcome back to my channel. I tried everything for my hair fall, expensive products, oils, even treatments, but nothing worked until I created this powerful herbal oil blend at home. Most people use just 1 or 2 herbs, but I combined 13 Ayurvedic herbs and oils, each targeting a different root cause, like breakage, scalp blockage, thinning, and slow regrowth. That's why this oil worked when everything else failed. Why your hair isn't growing. Hair fall has many causes: weak roots, blocked follicles, dry scalp, poor blood flow, or lack of nutrients. But instead of guessing, I created an oil that targets all these problems at once using the power of Ayurveda. Let me show you exactly what I used, and how you can make it too. Ingredients and benefits. Coconut oil 1 cup, 200 milliliters, deeply moisturizes and improves scalp health. Hibiscus flowers 4 to 5, fresh or dried, boosts hair regrowth and adds shine. Hibiscus leaves 6 to 7, strengthens hair roots and prevents breakage. Rosemary leaves 1 tablespoon, blocks DHT hormone, reduces hair thinning. Curry leaves 10 to 12, stimulates hair pigments, delays graying. Neem leaves 5 to 7, cleans scalp buildup, treats dandruff. Fenugreek seeds, methi, 1 teaspoon, rich in protein and lecithin to repair damaged hair. Black seeds, kalonji, 1 teaspoon, unclogs hair follicles, reduces inflammation. Cloves, long, 4 to 5, boosts blood circulation to roots. Amla, dry, fresh, 1 tablespoon, high in vitamin C, strengthens hair follicles. Fresh aloe vera gel 2 tablespoons, soothes scalp, hydrates and heals hair. Castor oil 2 tablespoons, thickens hair and promotes faster growth. Vitamin E capsules 2 capsules 400 milligrams, repairs damage and boosts shine. Preparation method, step by step. In a pan, pour 1 cup coconut oil and heat on low flame. Add hibiscus flowers and leaves, rosemary, curry leaves, fenugreek seeds, black seeds, neem leaves, cloves, amla. Let the mixture cook on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Herbs should turn slightly crispy but not burnt. Now add 2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel. Let it cook until bubbles stop and aloe looks transparent, around 5 to 7 minutes. Turn off the heat. Once slightly cooled, add 2 tablespoons castor oil, 2 vitamin E capsules 400 milligrams, optional, 1 teaspoon onion juice or 5 drops peppermint essential oil for extra boost. Mix well, strain, and store in a glass bottle. How to use. Apply this oil to the scalp and roots 2 to 3 times per week. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it overnight, then wash with mild shampoo. Suitable for all hair types. Best results in 3 to 4 weeks with consistency. This secret herbal blend saved my hair, and I truly believe it can save yours too. Try it for just 3 weeks, and you'll feel the difference in volume, softness, and baby hair growth. Thank you for watching.